Hi everyone, it's Sarah from Instructional Technology. Today I want to talk to you about Flippity.net. As you can see, this site has lots of different tools. Each of them has a demo, instructions, and a template for you to make your own. My favorite is the random name picker. I think it's something that everybody could use, and that's the one we are going to go ahead and make today. So you can look at the instructions on your own. They're pretty clear and they have frequently asked questions. It's a helpful way to figure out any of these things. Let's take a look at the demo just so you see what we're going to do. Here I have my list of students. I'm going to click. It will choose one at random, display it for me, Jack. And there are actually lots of other features, but we are going to take a look at those when we make our own. So the way that we make our own is click template, and they are going to give you the template for you to make a copy of in your Google account. So you got to make sure you're logged into your Google account. An easy way to do that. Now, if I just clicked make a copy, it would prompt me to put in my whole email and my username and whatnot, but we have Launchpad, so I'm just going to go ahead and open up Google Drive. That way my browser will get me all logged in, and when I come back to Flippity, where they wanted me to make a copy, it won't ask me anything because it will know exactly who I am. And sure enough, over here I have my profile photo, and that is my work email, so I'm in the right place. So this document is going to be saved in my Google Drive. Now, these are not my kids, obviously, so I'm going to erase them. And I have prepared a list over here. Just highlight all of these. You can right-click copy or use the keyboard shortcut Control-C. And then for pasting, it is Control-V. Get all my names in there. You're going to leave this part blank. Now, down here on the tab for this sheet, I'm going to click the arrow and rename it, just so that I'll call it homeroom. You can call it third grade or second period, whatever you need. And once you're done doing that, you're going to come to File, Publish to the Web. You're going to publish that. Yes, I'm sure. There we go. I'm published. So close that window. And we're going to come down here where it says Get the Link. Click onto that sheet, and sure enough, here's our Flippity unique internet address. So if you hover over that, you'll see that you get this little pop-up. I can just click and open that. It will open in a new tab. So here's our spinner. Not only do we have the spinner, but we have the single name function. Randomly generate a lineup. Sorry, I lost my mouse for a second there. We can change the order just by refreshing. I'm going to come back up. You can make groups of 2, groups of 3, 2 teams, 3 teams. If you kind of don't like these groupings and you want to go ahead and shuffle them, you're going to refresh again. Say there's certain kids that you don't want together. So you know what? I'm going to switch Owen for Violet. And you can make those specific switches. And then let's see, I'll do a seating chart. And then when you click more, you can go ahead and sort of convert this to some of the other tools. Like for example, a neat one is tournament bracket. So let's click that and it will open up a new tab for this tournament bracket. So this is a unique internet address, right? So you have this one. Notice how in the tab it says homeroom, that name that I gave it. So I'm going to click back in there, and I want to be able to get back to my random name picker tomorrow. So what I want to do is, in order to do this, you're going to have to be logged into your browser, so that you get all of your bookmarks, and you're going to click at least in Chrome, you're going to click that little star and choose where you want that bookmark to go. I'm going to go ahead and put mine in my bookmarks bar just because I want it to be readily available to me. Now, it's going to give you all this whole explanation. I like to delete that if I know that I'm going to get the kind of, an icon that will help me identify it. I don't really need this Flippity right here. I don't need that explanation because I know that lowercase f represents a Flippity site. So I'm going to say save. And sure enough, I've saved room. I can jam more of these bookmarks onto the bookmarks bar that way. And that way, tomorrow, no matter where I am, I can always pull up my random name picker. So I hope you like that. Remember, it's flippity.net. They have other tools as well, but this one is a really good one. So give it a try.